I think there is a path issue why it not running. First, we need to uh, copy the path and tell the ChatGPT about the right path. Then it give the solution. Then we solve it. Okay, let's see. It answer me. Let copy this code because we need to write load. But again, it's showing me the error. Let's see the web app, but not web app not working because there is error because it not loading the right app. I copied the all over error for the ChatGPT to solve it. Okay, ChatGPT answer me and it is showing activate the conda environment, but my environment is also activate. I think there is a app directory error, unicorn not starting the right app because it not finding the right app, so why it showing the error. Now this time I am telling the my correct folder path of a project to the ChatGPT, then it gives the right um, unicorn command to run this app. Let's see. I hope this time it solve the error. I hope. Okay. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Now this time it gives me the right command to run this app. I hope this time it run. First I stop the app and let copy and I paste it. Let's see, but import error. Again it's showing the error. Oh, always it is difficult to run the app by using AI. I mean, make the app and then run the app by using AI. It always difficult for me. I think here is my mistake, and now it give the code. Let copy, and I copy and paste the code here, and again I running the app. Let's see. I hope this time it run, but again it's showing the error. Let copy the error and go to ChatGPT and solve this error. Okay, I copy and I pasting, but first I telling give me again code where I write the command, and I ask in this command give me again the all app code, and let's see. Okay, okay, it gives me final project structure and main app code and other app codes. Let copy and up to date all codes. Now I upgrade all codes, but AI utils.py it showing here the mm, in the AI util file. I am asking which thing I need replace here, and I paste the hash hashtag. I paste the code. Okay, I also make the .env file. Let's see. Okay, it gives me the answer, and we need to uh, we need to up to date AI util files again, and it give me, and now I up to date the AI utils file. Okay, now this time I am going to start this app again. Let start the app. Now I paste, but by mistake I paste the uh, app code, sorry. Okay, now let run this app. Let's see. Okay, application setup is complete, and let open this app, and I open the app you watching on your screen. Okay, now app is running, and let upload some CV. Okay, I upload a demo CV. Let's see. Okay, ATS report, but it not showing anything here. I think there is the, sorry, I think here is the error. Let's solve the error. On the terminal it show 404 not found. The error is 404. Let take this error and go to ChatGPT. Okay, I am in the ChatGPT. Let's see. It's not showing me report. Okay, ATS report, and I write the problem. Let's see. Let's solve the problem with AI. Let's see. Okay, it answer me. Let's see the where is the code we need to up to date. Okay, add a result page. We need to add a result page. Let add the result page. Okay, but I change my idea. We need the separate HTML code file with CSS and JavaScript. So let make the this file also, and we also need the code, and ChatGPT giving the code. Okay, it give the code also the main file, and the HTML code. Let make the file. Now copy the all codes to upgrade the files, and also add the edit HTML page. Okay, now I paste all codes. Now this time we need to also update the result page. Okay, now I am asking for give me the uh, code to upgrade the result page. Let's see. Okay, it gives me. Let copy and paste all the code. Okay, I upgrade the all code. Now let's see. We need to next move. We need to restart this app. Okay. Now this time I am starting the app. Let's start app, and now this time the app is started, and let open the app. You watching the app on your screen. Okay, now this time let check the app. Now I upload the resume, demo resume file. It's showing uploading. Please wait for ATS report. Let's see. But here is internal server error. Let's see. We again upload. Again it's showing please waiting. But it taking many time. I think here is a error. So let I copy the this line, and I am going to showing this line to uh, ChatGPT. Yes, you watching in terminal. There is here is error, and let take this error, and go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT also solve it. Error 500 internal server error. Hey ChatGPT, solve this error. I think you solve it. Okay. I think no, you solve it. I know. Okay. Oh, the error is very long. Let's see. We need to update file utils.py file. Okay.